In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the iframe embed code from Paperform and add it to a self-hosted WordPress site using a custom HTML block. To get started, head over to your Paperform dashboard and open the form you want to place on your website. From there, go into the Share Options or Share Manager area, where Paperform provides different ways to publish and embed your form. What you're looking for here is the iframe version of the embed source. This option is useful because it gives you a simple code snippet that can display your form directly inside a page or post on your WordPress site. Once you find the iframe embed code, copy the entire script exactly as it appears. Make sure you grab the full snippet so nothing is missing when you paste it into WordPress later. Next, switch over to your self-hosted WordPress admin area. Open the page, post, or layout where you want the form to appear. If you're working inside the block editor, this is where you'll be placing the embed code. Take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct page so you don't accidentally place the form in the wrong section of your site. Now, inside the block editor canvas, insert a standard custom HTML block. This block is important because it allows WordPress to accept and render raw embed code, rather than treating it like plain text. To add it, click the block inserter, search for custom HTML, and place the block where you want the form to show up on the page. Choosing the right placement can help the form feel more natural within your content, especially if it's part of a contact section, registration area, or landing page. Once the custom HTML block is added, paste the iframe code directly into the block's field area. Be careful not to edit the code unless you specifically know what you're changing, because even a small missing character can stop the embed from loading correctly. After pasting it in, save or update the page. At that point, your embedded paper form should be added to the page. It's always a good idea to preview the page after saving so you can confirm the form displays properly and fits well within your layout. If spacing or alignment looks slightly off, that usually comes down to the iframe settings included in the original code. But as long as the full snippet was copied and pasted correctly into the custom HTML block, the embed process is complete.